First impressions, the packaging is clean, minimal. Let's see what inside. So we got the W11 camera itself. Compact, really modern looking. This will sit flat against your window. And it attached to a USB Type-C cable, which is going to charge your camera all the day. Build quality feels solid. It doesn't feel like a budget camera at all. And check this out, there is no lens flare coating because this thing is specially designed to shoot through glass without the glare you'd normally get from IR night vision cameras. The W11 shoots at 4 megapixel, that's both day and night. The magnetic mount, this is how it attached, no tools needed. The solar panel, and yes, this is including in the box, not an add-on. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 6. There is also 4G LTE vision. Motion detection is where this gets interesting. Most cameras use PIR sensor, passive infrared, which simply do not work through glass. The W11 uses a 24 GHz millimeters wave radar sensor that penetrates the window and detect movement up to 26 feet away. That's meaningful difference. Download the HomeQ security app. It's free on iOS and Android. Open it up, create an account, hit add device, and it finds the W11 automatically over Wi-Fi. Enter your network password and it connects. First connection took about 45 seconds. Easy to install. They claim under 30 seconds you can install this camera. Let's see if that's actually true. So step 1, peel the backing of the magnetic mount and press it to the window. It's got a strong adhesive pad on the back. Pick a spot where you have a clear line of sight to the area you want to monitor. Snap the W11 into the mount. The magnet grabs it immediately. It's satisfying. That was honestly about 25 seconds. Now for the solar panel, this just sticks to the window too, and you run the short cable to the camera. The idea is that with a little daily sunlight you will never need to manually recharge. I'm going to test that over the next few weeks. Storage is local micro SD up to 256 GB with optional cloud backup, no force subscription, no monthly fees. You can just buy any micro SD card, install it, and you will get your local storage. Now I am in the live view. Look at that, crystal clear. I can see the street, the driveway, car passing. Let me show you the settings. Compared to the standard IR cameras mounted outside, you get white and grey. Radar detection through glass actually work. It got 4G LED version, cost a bit more, but it's great for cabins, garage or anywhere without Wi-Fi. If you've been frustrated by outdoor cameras getting stolen weather damages, or just being a pain to install, the W11 is worth. Link in the description. Go grab your. Okay, so this is the real test. Here's what the footage looks like at night. No higher glow on the window glass. You can see color. The car is clearly red. Night vision here uses what they call AI black light technology, which give you full color footage in low light, not the usual black and white infrared blue. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I test security gear regularly, so you don't have to guess. Let me know in the comment if you have questions about the W11 and I'll answer everyone. See you in the next one. Peace.